If you have ever lost track of a lead, forgotten to follow up with a prospect, or had a deal fall through because someone dropped the ball, this video is for you. Today, I am going to explain exactly what a CRM is, why businesses use them, and how to know when you actually need one. No jargon, no fluff, just a clear, honest explanation. Let us start with the basics. CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management. At its core, a CRM is software that helps you track and manage every interaction your business has with potential and existing customers. Think of it as a central database for all your sales activity. Instead of tracking leads in a spreadsheet, following up from memory, or digging through your email inbox to find a conversation from 3 weeks ago, a CRM organizes everything in one place. Every contact, every deal, every email, every call, every meeting, all logged automatically and accessible in seconds. Now you might be thinking, I already use a spreadsheet. Why do I need a CRM? Great question. Spreadsheets work fine when you have a handful of customers and 1 or 2 salespeople, but they break down fast as you grow. There is no automatic follow-up reminders. There is no pipeline visibility. There is no way to know which deals are going cold. And if a salesperson leaves, all their relationship history leaves with them. A CRM solves all of that. Here is what a modern CRM actually does for your business. First, it tracks every lead automatically. When someone fills out a form on your website, emails you, or calls your business, the CRM captures that contact and logs the interaction. No manual data entry required. Second, it shows you your pipeline in real time. You can see every deal, what stage it is in, what the next action is, and who is responsible. No more guessing where a deal stands. Third, it automates follow-ups. You can set automatic reminders, email sequences, and task assignments so no lead ever falls through the cracks again. Fourth, it gives you reporting. You can see your close rate, average deal size, revenue forecast, and which salespeople are performing. Fifth, it stores relationship history. Every email, call, and meeting is logged against the contact record. So when a prospect comes back 6 months later, anyone on your team can pick up right where you left off. Now, when do you actually need a CRM? If you have fewer than 10 active leads at any given time and you are the only person doing sales, a spreadsheet is probably fine for now. But the moment any of these things happen, it is time to get a CRM. You are losing track of leads. You are forgetting to follow up. You are hiring your first salesperson. You are getting more than 20 new leads per month. The good news is that getting started with a CRM does not have to be expensive. HubSpot offers a completely free CRM that is genuinely powerful, unlimited users, contact management, deal pipelines, email tracking, and meeting scheduling, all at no cost. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more CRM and sales tool guides every week.